Hey Pete, this is your 1974 Sankyo Pachinko machine. I just wanted to make a quick video on the machine showing you a couple of things and running some balls to the machine. So without further ado, I am going to get started. Alright, so this is the back side of your machine here. You're going to see that I have hooked up a 12 volt power supply here. I actually still need to staple some of this back into the wood the way it was originally, but all I've simply done is wrap these cables up with one another and tape them with electrical tape. So everything is safe and sound there with the electrical. Couple of quick things here with the machine. You're always going to want to make sure that this slide is in the backwards position here so that these little plastic pieces lock into place. Otherwise, all of your balls will drain down through here and out of the bottom of the machine. And then secondly, you're always going to want to make sure that this seesaw is in the upward position before you start playing. Basically what happens is all of your jackpot balls come through the back of the machine out of your pockets and they all drain down to this seesaw lever here. And that needs to be able to dump downwards and out to exit the ball. If it's in the downwards position, it can't do so. So just make sure that's in the upward position. Let's see here, give you a little better view of everything here. As you can see, that's in the upward position. Everything is nice, squeaky clean. And like I said, this is your 12 volt power supply here. All you got to do is plug that into the wall and the lights will function for you now. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to run some pachinko balls through the machine. I am going to pour some new pachinko balls of mine into your hopper here, and we will get started. Okay, so firstly, you're going to notice that this ball empty light is on here when we start out with the machine plugged in. That is simply because I have not added any balls to the jackpot hopper. So once I add those, as you'll see, that light will turn off.